In Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, the Beni garrison military court handed down its verdict on Monday evening after 2 weeks of an intense trial in a case of collaboration with the Allied Democratic Forces. 23 people received sentences ranging from 5 to 20 years of penal servitude for charges of participation in an insurrectionary movement, criminal conspiracy, as well as financing and carrying out acts of terrorism. In application of Article 7 of the Military Criminal Code, sentences the defendant to the maximum penalty of 20 years of penal servitude. The defendant Mumbere is sentenced to 20 years of penal servitude for terrorism and another 20 years for participating in an insurrectionary movement. In application of Article 7 of the Military Criminal Code, the most severe sentence is imposed. The defendants were found guilty of directly participating in or providing logistical and financial support for attacks carried out by the ADF in the territories of Beni, Lubero and Ituri. The ADF is an armed group affiliated with the Islamic State. Defense lawyers have already announced their intention to appeal the verdict. Where we find that something is not right, we will appeal, especially since the law provides for 2 degrees of jurisdiction. It is our right. When we are not satisfied with the outcome for one of our clients, we will refer the case to a higher court to continue the proceedings. For local civil society, this trial marks a turning point in the fight against the Allied Democratic Forces. This verdict comes amid a context of extreme violence after ADF rebels killed around 100 people in Toyo in early September. This event highlights the resurgence of ADF attacks in the eastern provinces of Ituri and Nord-Kivu.